Congratulations, students. Once again, you have concluded week 2 of the World History module. This week, we identified geographic locations and physical features of ancient civilizations by completing physical maps. We identified key components of civilizations. We reviewed those key elements of the development of the early river civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the Indus River in China, and we've compared those key similarities and differences between the ancient civilizations. You have completed 2 regional maps showing the geographic regions with a map quiz. You have completed 4 spice charts to collect information about the ancient river civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, the Indus River Valley, and the Shang and Zhou dynasties. And you have created a pre-writing assignment to organize for your assessment, which was writing a comparison essay. And before you leave the module, the next thing that you'll be doing is finally the assessment, where you will be comparing 2 of the ancient civilizations. Congratulations, this has been another very rigorous week of work, and you have done an incredible job and an incredible amount of work. Your skills are getting stronger, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen next week. Congratulations.